Paging Dr. Gunn.
Hello, this is Dr. Gunn. Today I'm doing a detailed teardown of the Ruger SR9c, which is a 9mm gun. Most videos just show a basic stripping of the gun, but sometimes more knowledge is better. First, we have to disarm the firearm to make sure that we are safe and that we don't shoot anybody. First, taking out the magazine, then pulling the slide back, and checking for any casings. Now we pull back the slide and lift the locking mechanism to hold our gun in place. Next, we're going to push down the ejector all the way until it stops. Be careful, because if you accidentally hit the slide lock, you'll chop your finger and it'll hurt bad. Now we push the slide pin, which sometimes takes a little tool or an extra little push, located right here. Then we disengage the lock slide lock, push forward. Now we take the recoil spring out. Now we take the barrel out, lifting up and out like so. Now we set the lower to the side and we concentrate on the slide. First, you need a tool that will fit into the tiny hole on the back side of the slide. You need to push down inside of this hole and then push out to slide the keeper off. After this, you need to depress the striker's locking pin and pull the firing pin assembly out. Now you could pull out the firing pin locking piece and you can clean about 99% of the slide if you want. Now if you want to take it fully apart, you'll need a punch set and a hammer to hit out the rolling pins that hold in the ejector right here and the pop-up safety right there. To assemble it after you have cleaned this slide, you do everything in reverse. First, you put the locking mechanism back in the same direction that you pulled it out. You push down on it, slide the firing pin back in, and just to make it a little bit easier, you press down on what engages the firing pin to give you just a little bit more room. Then you put the keeper back on, and you got to press down on the lock, press down on the firing pin, slide it back in until you hear a snap. Then you're going to slide the barrel in like we took it out, start high, go low, pull back, and put the recoil spring like so. Then grab your lower, line up these slides with right there, slide all the way back, and push up on the locking mechanism. Slide in the slide locking pin, and go ahead and push up on that ejector if you want. If not, when you go to load the firearm and push up on the magazine, it'll automatically push up the ejector.